We're out in the yard, actually, in the driveway, working on the backup camera on my 2011 Ford F-150 Platinum. I just watched a bunch of videos on guys trying to clean the connections out underneath behind the camera. And the one last video I watched, the guy said take the inner panel off the tailgate so you can access the camera connections. That's ridiculous. Just come over here. So the Ford emblem popped right off. Camera's right there. Okay. So we are going to remove these two 10mm bolts. This one. That should bring the camera out so we can get to the plug, clean the connection out. Okay guys, as you can see we got the camera unhooked right there. Just going to pull that connector off and clean out the contacts in there and then see if that gives us a camera. Otherwise we're going to test to make sure we got power to it when it's on and go from there. Okay, I have the touch screen with navigation in this truck. Obviously in park right now. Let's throw it in reverse and show what we got. Screen's a little dirty here, but you do get a pretty good view. I didn't like the way the emblem comes at the top left corner of that camera. You can see the kind of little bit of thing. That's the shadowing from the emblem. Showing everything I need to show. That's I can zoom in on it. Anyway, you got 3 levels of zoom. For, like I said, under 50 bucks, you get a nice working camera now. And let's we see what I need to back there. And good for hooking the hitch and stuff up. Thanks for watching that, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video with the camera install. Hope that helps somebody out. Yeah, that's just how I did it. Not saying that's the right way or wrong way. Thanks for all the new subscribers. See you in the next one.